Hello, welcome to this special class of peaceful sleep pre-night ritual which is going to happen from today 3rd January 2021 at 9:30 p.m. for 20 minutes only, that is till 9:50 p.m. Ideal time to sleep should be between 10 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. provided that you are getting up at 5 a.m. or before. So who can do this class? First of all, who are having disturbed sleep, sleep apnea, it is a must class for them. It does not mean this class is for people who gets a very sound sleep. In fact, who want to increase their productivity and become more organized, this class will be very useful, because anyway 15 to 20 minutes we just waste our time. If you utilize this 15 to 20 minutes in an organized manner and direct your mind before you sleep, definitely your productivity is going to become double and you are going to become more focused. So what are the 6 things which successful people do before they sleep? So here are 6 things which I am going to tell you before we start our pre-night ritual class. This class is totally free for all in month of January. Whoever joins after January, it will be charged 999. So it's better that you invite all your friends right now in month of January. The first thing is there, when you are about to sleep, you have to give instructions to your mind that you are winding down. How you can give instructions to mind unknowingly is, before you sleep you have to change the atmosphere where you sleep. So you have to clean up, maybe the change of bed sheet, arranging the curtains, the light, maybe you can put little aroma. If you have got time and if you like, you can just keep a ritual of taking a bath before you sleep, or take a bath after you come back from home and change your clothes. If you are not changing your clothes, if you are not getting freshened up, at least washing your face, the first thing is there, give directions to your mind that you are winding up. So create a very proper atmosphere to give instructions to your mind that you are about to sleep. So how you can do it? Clean up, maybe take bath if possible, keeping some aroma, some light adjustment, curtain, change of bed sheet, change of clothes, whatever is possible for you. You decide what instructions you want to give, that there is a difference between your morning routine and night routine. The second thing is there, before you sleep, what thoughts and feelings you carry is more important. If you sleep with the carried away thoughts and the feelings, if you had an argument with somebody or you had something happen which was not expected and you are with all those thoughts, and if you don't settle down those thoughts, you are going to carry those thoughts and that will come into your dreams and you will have all those dreams. So before you sleep, the second most common habit of successful people is they change their thoughts and feelings. How you can do it? You can just keep a book beside you, which is a good personality development book or any skill you want to develop. And all of you, you know that which are the best books, or you can ask me which books you can read. You can read books. Otherwise, you can hear to some inspirational or motivational video. Lot of are available on YouTube. The third thing is there, you can read biography of some successful people. So reading will create some thoughts. So reading or listening or seeing video. So you keep those things ready. The third thing is, just before going to the sleep, the meditation is important. What this meditation is? The creative visualization of your the next day and just gathering your thoughts what you have done today. So this meditation, which is a pre-night meditation, which we are going to do in our ritual. So meditation will bring down the unnecessary thoughts and they will just come up with the good productive thoughts. The fourth one is there, recite the affirmations. Now morning affirmations are different. They are for your money, business, growth, career and all that. There are specific affirmations before you sleep to condition your mind, and what instructions you give before you go to sleep is very important, and that goes into subconscious mind. So this ritual also we are going to do in 20 minutes, and all of you will get the copy of those particular affirmations the way you have got for our money class. The next important thing is there, you are going to do to-do list for the next day and decide 3 priority goals of the next day depending on what you have done today. So even if I'm going to include this ritual for you in that pre-night ritual, I'm going to ask you some questions and you are going to answer those questions on your diary. So keep your pen and diary with you. Ideally, you should have a good diary which I'm going to show during class, that is called Dream, Achieve and Create, where on every page it is written. I will show you during the class. So this is about to-do list and making of 3 priority goals of the next day, which is very important. If you do it in hand, you will be relaxed and your thought process will be reduced. The next thing is there, sixth, the last thing is there, you have to decide what time do you want to get up. And I know all of you are into the personal development space, so you know that you have to get up at 5 a.m. or before. If you are not an early riser, I will highly recommend that make a goal to get up at 4:45 a.m. so that you can start from 5 a.m. your morning rituals. And our morning ritual class is there every day at 7 a.m. to 7:20 a.m. Now the next thing is there, if you are not decided what time to get up, you might get up someday at 5 o'clock, someday at 6 o'clock, someday at 4 o'clock. So you will have a disturbed sleep. So you have to know that I have to sleep at this time, 10 o'clock, 10:30 or maximum 11, and you have to get up at 5 a.m. So I assume all of you are early risers at 5 a.m. and going to sleep max by 11 p.m. So see you all in our pre-night peaceful sleep rituals. I have already given the link of my ebook, that is a collection of mini hacks, 48 sleep hacks. If someone is having a severe sleep problem, please have a consultation with me, which is free, and we can add some of the hacks which depends on some therapy. And if you are a music lover, I am going to provide you a typical frequency before you go to sleep. Hear those frequency for a peaceful sleep. So see you to execute our pre-night ritual for a peaceful sleep and with a great productivity and energy creation for the next day morning.